Hi, I'm Peter Jones, Chartered Surveyor, author and property investor. In this short series of videos, I'm answering a question from Sam, not his real name. I've made his name up just to sort of protect the innocent. And we're going through what is a very long and quite a complicated question of his, but it's going to relate to a lot of people who are watching this video. So, in the last video we talked about releasing equity from Sam's home. Let's carry on with his question. He goes on to say, my wife owns a one-bedroom flat in Seven Kings in Essex, in a converted Victorian house. The lease is below 90 years, so we need to pay to get that extended. I'm not sure the current value on the flat, but she has 18 months left on her fixed-rate repayment mortgage before she can refinance. So yeah, okay, so she needs to extend the lease, that'd be great. But again, same argument as before, if there's any equity in that property, Sam, can she release the equity? Because that would be really useful for your property business. By the way, she's got 18 months left on her repayment mortgage before she can refinance. Now, presuming that your wife lives with you, I know in this day and age anything could be the case, but let's assume that she lives with you, could you convert that into a buy-to-let mortgage? Now, you may have to pay some kind of a redemption penalty on this mortgage, but when you think about the bigger scheme of things and the bigger picture, would it be worth paying £1,000 or £2,000 or £3,000 to redeem that mortgage so you can take out a whole slice of equity to use in your property business? Sometimes people will say to me, I'd like to refinance and get more money out, but I'm not going to do it for 18 months because otherwise I'm going to have to pay a higher rate of my interest. I'm currently paying 2% and it's going to go up to 2.25%, so I'm going to wait 18 months. And I think, no, don't do that. For the sake of paying an extra 0.25% or 0.5% or even 1% or even 1.5%, if you can get a chunk of money out and use that money effectively and efficiently to build your business, why would you not do that? So Sam, part 2, second thing to do, check out your wife's flat, see if you can extend the lease, and while you're about it, see if you can remortgage and get out a chunk of equity. Well, I hope you found that informative and inspirational. Until next time, here's to successful property investing.